Hello, man. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
May I know your introduction, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go on.
I'm. My name is Gyanendra Adhikari.
Mm-hmm.
Coming feeding pastor.
Mm.
I am 32 years old.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you are married.
Yes, I married.
How many kids do you have?
2 kids.
How many members are there in your family?
4 members.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what is your education level?
SLC pass.
SLC pass. Okay, do you have any experience?
Yes, sir.
Where?
I work.
Mm-hmm.
I work factory workers.
Where?
Hanuman complex.
Mm-hmm. Where is it? Nepal or abroad?
Nepal.
Mm-hmm. For how long you work there?
1 years.
1 year. Okay. Do you know the duties of a factory worker?
Yes, sir.
Please go on.
Keeping materials.
Mm-hmm.
Loading, unloading materials.
Mm-hmm.
And checking materials.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
Collection money and bright future as a family.
Okay. Do you smoke and drink?
No, sir.
Do you have anyone, relative, friends in Romania?
No, sir.
Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes, sir.
Which one?
Johnson.
Okay, man. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.